Hello everyone, today I am really very excited to share with you this new year 2026 photo collage template design in Canva, and I will share with you this template link absolutely for free, and the guidelines will be shared in a small bit of time. So let's start with the tutorial. So first I will go to text here and click on add a heading, and here I will write 2026. Okay, and for the font here I will go to font here and write here Rubik, and I will use this Rubik 1. Okay, and let's make it bigger. Okay, let's place it right here, and after that click on L to activate a line, and for the stroke style here I will use the stroke weight as 10. Okay, and rotate it to 90 degrees, and first I will change the color to white, and after that just bring it here and paste it in the middle here, and duplicate it, use it here, again use it here, again I will use it here. So if you can't adjust the line, just use the arrow keys in the keyboard to make it to your specified position, and after that I will just zoom it and duplicate it, and I will rotate it to minus 180 degrees. Okay, and after that I will just hold on to shift and move it upwards. Okay, and hold on to shift and elongate the line till here. Okay, and duplicate it, and again hold on to shift and use it here. And for the 6 here, just select a line, duplicate it, and just make it smaller, and use the move tool here and move it in the middle here. Use the arrow keys to adjust it, so like this we will be using it here. Okay, and now I will select all of them and move it slightly down. Okay, and after that I will go to share and click on download. Make sure it is in PNG and click on download. Now I will come to picsvg.com, which is a free SVG converter. As you can see in here, click on upload a picture and just upload the design which you just downloaded. And here use the filters to internal 3 and click on download SVG. Now come back again to Canva, click on add page, and just in this page use a default background color. You can use any color you want. I am using this green color. Okay, and click on share, click on download, make sure it is in PNG again, and this time download only this page 2. Click on download. Now come to photopea.com, which is a free alternative of Photoshop. Click on open from computer and just use the SVG file which you just downloaded from picsvg.com and click on open. And as you can see, it is opened the layers, and it has also separated the layers, as you can see in here. Okay, and now I will click on file, click on open and place, and this time I will use the green color background layer which I downloaded just from Canva, and I will just make it bigger. Okay, and I will right click it, click on clipping mask, and this will take a little more time, so I am just doing it fast so that it gets easier for you to understand. So you need to just duplicate it layer wise. So all the layers are covered as you can see in here. Now click on file, click on save as PSD. Now come back again to Canva, click on add page and just remove the green layer and just upload the PSD file which you just now created. Now just bring it in the canvas here, and after that you need to remove the green layer. Okay, so just click on backspace. Okay, and you can remove the green layer. Okay, another way you can do, which is delete. Click on delete image. Okay, but before that, as you can see, there is a black layer which is coming just below the layers. So click on layer, click on show layers, and after that just select all the layers, click on control. So all are removed, and now I will just remove the green layers. Now this is the 2026 template and I will add the pictures, but before that I will write the text here which is Happy New Year. And I will just move it above, and here I will use the font as Madeline, this one, and this looks really good, and you can just increase the size according to your requirement. Now this is the template, and if you want this template link for absolutely free, there are two things which you need to do, which is just subscribe my channel and write in the comments subscribed and commented, and this is the Instagram page and the link will be in the description. Just ping or message me here and I will share the template link with you for absolutely free. So this is the thing which I wanted to share. If you want this free template, please follow the guidelines and I will share the link with you accordingly. Now we need to add some pictures here for this photo collage, and for that I will go to elements and here I will write New Year Party, and after that I will click on photos, click on see all. So I have added all the pictures as you can see in here. So you can make similar designs like this in Canva for absolutely free, and you can get the template for free by following the guidelines which I shared here. I am again just telling the guidelines, which is you have to just subscribe to the channel and comment on this video, subscribed and commented, and then you have to visit our Instagram page. The link will be in the description, and just message me and I will share the template link with you instantly. Thank you.